This is a song by my favourite songwriter. It's called Bird on a Wire. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in some midnight choir. I've tried in my way, I try to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knife from some old-fashioned book. I've saved all my sorrow for thee. And if I was unkind, I hope you'll let it go by. And if I was untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a baby stillborn, like a beast with his horn. I've torn everyone that reached out for me. Come on, reach out for me. And I swear by this song and by all I've done wrong, I swear I'll make it all up to thee. I saw beggar leaning on his wooden crutch. He said to me, you mustn't ask for so much. I saw a beautiful woman leaning at her darkened door. She cried out to me, London, why not ask for some more? Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in some midnight choir. I've tried in my way, try to be free. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in some midnight choir. I've tried, I try to be free. Thank you. I'm London from London.